your seat, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
So, good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
How are you feeling today?
Very fine, sir.
So, that's good to hear. So, okay. Please check the attendance and who absent in the class today.
None, sir.
So, very good class. And there is no absent today. Now, anyone from the class can still record our last topic. Our last topic was all about division model. So, very good. Now, can you tell me what is the division model?
Sir,
Good.
the divisional model describes the path of a user's role on a website. It helps in organizing and presenting content to users in a constructed manner.
So, alright, thank you. So, do you have any question or clarification regarding our last topic?
None, sir.
Since there are none, I assume that you really understood our past lesson. For that, give yourselves 3 claps. Okay, thank you everyone. So, before we begin our lessons properly, I prepared an activity here. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So, okay, I prepared sort of word Scrabble. All you must do to find a single word. So, this activity is Scrabble. And now, class, raise your hand to answer the
Sir, me. Sir.
So,
Me, sir.
Brad, please stand up and answer.
Sir.
Okay,
Sir.
30 days or ago. Please stand up. Very good. Sumigaw.
Sir.
Oh, thank you. 30. You're so very good.
Oh, thank you.
Alvin Burns. Oh, thank you, Burns. And the last, so, Shinsal, please stand up and answer the activity. Okay, thank you and thank you for your participate in this activity. So right, very good class. And now, based on those words Scrabble presented earlier et al. Has something to do with our topic for today. What do you think will be our topic for today, class? Okay, stand up.
I think our topic for today is all about the factors of acculturation model.
Oh, very good, Shinsal. Clap your hands. So our lesson for today, it's all about the acculturation model. So okay, before we proceed, please be present. So your objectives for today's lesson. Tips at the end of the lesson. So learning objectives. Class, please read the learning objectives.
At the end of the lesson, the students are expected to explain the importance of an individual to becoming like a target language group. Identify the language group. After the discussion, students will answer the following questions. Students will having a group activity and a short quiz to repeat and learn knowledge.
Oh, thank you. Now, class, are these objectives attainable?
Yes, sir.
Can we attain these objectives?
Yes, sir.
That's good to hear. So I believe that with your active participation, we will meet these objectives. So let's start our discussion, the acculturation model. So, according to Schumann, as cited in Yeshuda 1993, there is taxonomy of factors which control social distance that determine how close an individual will come to becoming like the target language group. There are as follows. The first is dominance and subordination. So, dominant subordination refers to the dynamic within a group where one entity holds a position of power or authority over others. So, the second, integration pattern. Integration pattern, assimilation, giving up your own lifestyle in favor of another. Acculturation, preservation, how much of your own culture you hold and so. So, integration pattern is assimilation in integration pattern refers to adapting the lifestyle of another culture, often by giving up aspects of your own. So, the third is degree of enclosure of both groups. So, among that, the two groups share the same social facility, low enclosure, or have intra-group contact to receive or enter different social facilities, high enclosure. So, the degree of enclosure of both groups refers to how much they share the same social facilities, and low enclosure means they share a lot, while high enclosure indicates they have different social facilities. And the number 4, degree of receivedness of second language learning group. So the degree of enclosure essentially measures the level of shared social facilities between two groups low enclosure, suggests a high level of sharing, while high enclosure indicates distinct social facilities for each group. So the number 5, size of second language learning group. So the size of second language learning group can vary depending on the context. It could be as small as a one-on-one session with a tutor, or as large as a classroom with multiple students. So the number 6, degree of congruence of the two cultures. The two cultures of the L2 group may be similar or different to the Hegel group, and the degree of congruence between the culture of the 1.2 group and the TL group can vary. It depends on factors such as shared values, norms, and practices. So the last number is intergroup attitudinal evaluation. Positive or negative attitudes to each other. So intergroup attitudinal evaluation refers to the overall perceptions and feelings that one group holds towards another group. So, class, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
So, we will continue the topic of my report. So, positive or negative attitudes to each other. The second factor mentioned by Schumann and forward by Ellis 2008. Psychological stance relates to how comfortable a learner is in relation to the surrounding social affecting factors. The psychological stance disorients a learner in a way that may cause the interest and seize opportunities to take full advantage of the social situation. Schumann, in his 1975 article as cited in Yeshuda 1993, lists 5 affective factors that may increase the psychological stance. So, the Yeshuda 1993, kung sa Isaya, na ay 5 ka apikwan nga factors. Then, mo ni siya. So the first is language shock. So please read the question and the verse.
Language shock is orientation caused by learning a new linguistic system.
So thank you, verse. Language shock is a common experience when living into a new linguistic system. It's like stepping into a whole new world where words, grammar, and even cultural nuances feel unfamiliar at first. Yun ang language shock. And second, culture shock. Sumiyog.
Culture shock, stress, anxiety, and fear caused when entering new culture, routine activities suddenly become major obstacles.
O, thank you. Sumiyog. So, culture shock can be a real challenge. Suddenly, the simplest task can feel overwhelming in a new culture. So, the third, culture stress, Jean?
Culture stress, prolonged culture shock, such as homesickness and questioning self-identity.
Thank you so much. So, absolutely, culture shock can be quite disorienting. It's like being dropped into a whole new world where even the most routine things can feel unfamiliar. But you're right, with patience and an open mind, it can lead to incredible personal growth and understanding. So, the number 4, motivation, instrumental and integrative, and instrumental motivation is about achieving a specific goal or outcome, while integrative motivation involves a desire to connect with others or the culture associated with a language. So, and the last, ego probability, Charity Sumargo, please stand up. The number 5.
The degree to which an individual gives up their differences in favor of the target language group.
So, thank you, Charity Sumargo. So, ego permeability refers to how much someone is willing to adapt their identity, beliefs, or behaviors to fit into a particular cultural or linguistic group. So, the topic class is so this time, let's have an activity as a student. How important language growth. So, and now let's proceed to the group activity directions. Create slogan that shows language growth. Make a yes if your group is done, then choose one of your group mates to explain the output. And the criteria for today is unity 20% and relevance 30%. And cleanliness 50% and uniqueness 30%. So, group into 2. Okay.
1.
So, group 1 and group 2. Group 1 and Group 2. So, class, I will give you 10 minutes to do your activity.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Class, that's all.
None, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
We're done.
Okay, please make a yes.
A one, a two.
Hey, stand up.
A 1, 2, 3, go. G-O-O-D, G-O-O-D. Good, 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 good.
Oh, your yes, it's very nice. Okay, clap your hands. Oh, your second group. Okay, what?
Finish.
Yeah, okay.
N-I-C-E.
Oh, your yes.
A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, go. Group 2 team. Spell the word nice. N-I-C-E, N-I-C-E, nice, 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 nice.
Okay, thank you. Group 2. So, your yes, Group 1 and Group 2, it's very nice. So, thank you for your participate in this activity. So, good job, class. You did it very well. Give yourselves 3 claps for that. Oh, do you have any clarification and questions about it?
None, sir.
Since there's none, I assume that you have really understood the text. Let's have another activity. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So, activity 2. Activity 2. Quiz. So, the activity 2 is get 1/4 sheet of paper, then number your paper 1 to 5. Answer this following question. Write if the statement is true and if the statement is false. So, okay? Get 1/4 sheet of paper, class. So, class, listen to me. I will read this question and answer. Follow the answer. So, number 1, motivation. The degree to which an individual gives up their differences in favor of the target language group. True or false?
Sir, can you repeat it again?
Number 1, motivation. The degree to which an individual gives up their differences in favor of the target language group. So the number 2, culture shock. Disorientations caused by learning. The number 3, language shock, stress, anxiety, and focus caused by entering new culture. And the number 4, ego, permeability, instrumental, and integrity. And the last number, culture stress, positive or negative attitude to each others. So, are you done?
Yes, sir.
So please forward and pass the paper. Okay. So to that class. Pusagot po. So, very good. So now, that all of you are lots of learning about our discussions. Again, what was the lesson that we have taken today, class?
The factors of acculturation model, sir.
So, very good. Do you have any questions about F?
None, sir.
So, the last class is assignment. So, for your assignment, choose one psychological stance and explain it in 500 words. And there. This class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that would be all for today. Thank you for participating in this activity and goodbye class and God bless.
Goodbye, sir.